In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your files and folders in Google Drive efficiently. We all know how cluttered our digital spaces can become, and gaining control over this can profoundly enhance both productivity and peace of mind. Let's dive into the simple yet effective steps you can take to make sure your Google Drive stays neat, organized, and exactly how you want it to. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to your Google Drive. You can easily do this by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to drive.google.com. Make sure you're logged into your Google account to access your files. Once you're in, you'll find yourself in the My Drive section, which is essentially your main hub for managing all your files and folders. Now that you're in My Drive, the next thing you want to do is understand how to sort your files and folders. This is a foundational step toward organization because sorting them effectively allows you to find things quickly without unnecessary searching. If you take a look at the top of your files list, you'll see a column header that says Last Modified. Clicking on this header will sort your files and folders by the date they were last modified. This is extremely useful if you want to see your most recently worked on files at the top of your list. What's great about Google Drive is that it offers various sorting options to suit your specific needs. Once you've clicked on Last Modified, a small drop-down arrow will appear next to it, offering more detailed sorting criteria. For instance, you might choose Last Modified by Me if you're specifically looking to sort the documents that you have personally updated. This is particularly useful when you're working on collaborative projects and want to isolate your contributions. Alternatively, you could opt for Last Opened by Me if you're trying to access something you've recently viewed but not necessarily modified. Staying organized is all about tailoring the tools to your needs, and Google Drive offers the flexibility to do just that. Whether you prefer to order your files by name, by who last modified them, or by when they were last opened, you have the power to set your files in a way that makes the most sense to you. And remember, you can always change the sorting order again at any time if your priorities shift. So there you have it, a straightforward process to bring some order to your Google Drive. By using these sorting techniques, you can ensure that your most important files are never more than a few clicks away. Enjoy your newly organized digital space, and thank you for joining me today. Happy Google Driving!